Welcome to Comprehensive Code YouTube channel. Today we'll be solving leetcode 1863, sum of all subset XOR totals. The XOR total of an array is defined as the bitwise XOR of all its elements, or 0 if the array is empty. For example, the XOR total of array 256 is 2 XOR 5 or XOR 6, which is 1. Given an array nums, return the sum of all XOR totals for every subset of nums. Subsets with the same elements should be counted multiple times. An array A is subset of an array B if A can be obtained from B by deleting some possibly 0 elements of B. Or let's take this as an example, 1, 3. So the possible subsets of 1 and 3 is either empty array or 1 or 3 or 1, 3, right? So what is the XOR of this? This is 0. What is the XOR of this? This is 1. What is the XOR of this? This is 3. And the XOR of 1 and 3 is 2. And this gives 6 as an answer, right? Okay. One possible way we can do this is by using backtracking to find all the possible subsets of these nums and then sum up the XOR of the subsets and return the result. So use backtracking to get all the possible subsets of the nums and XOR the possible subsets, sum up all and return, right? But this will be time consuming and it's exponential time complexity. Is there a better way we can solve this? Yes, definitely. There is a better way to solve this. The way we can solve this is by using bitwise OR operations and bitwise operations, basically bitwise manipulations. So the bit we can represent 1 is 1, okay? The bit 3 can be represented is 1 and 1, right? Now we can add 0. So what if we do the bitwise operation of these two elements here? It's 1 and 1, right? So the answer, so if we convert this to base 10, this is 3. 3 is not the answer that we wanted. However, if we do left shift, the length of the numbers minus 1, basically 2 minus 1, that is 1. If we do that, we'll get 6. That is how we'll solve this. Okay, so first thing, we have to do bitwise XOR of all the numbers that we have. And then at last, we'll left shift the result by the length of the numbers minus 1. That will basically give us the result. I hope that makes sense. With that, let's start coding. As we said, we'll get total sum. It's 0 at the beginning, okay? And for num in nums, total sum or equal to num, right? And then what we're doing at last is return total sum and then length of nums minus 1, right? All right, let's run the code and submit it. As you can see, it passes all the tests and it's pretty efficient. If you find this helpful, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit like button as well. Thank you for watching this and hope we'll meet soon. Thank you.